Alright, this is the third time I tried to make this video this morning. And it has this stupid clicking noise on it, so if you hear that stupid clicking noise, I don't know how my setting got reset again, but for some reason it is, and I can't find out how to fix it. But I will as soon as I can. You might have noticed I've changed my web page. I need to simplify things in my life. My health isn't going very well, and I am getting to a doctor on the 30th. I'm going to see a doctor, and then she'll refer me to a few places to get some help. I haven't been to a doctor in about I'd say 7 to 10 years. It's been over 7 years because I've been with James 7.5. I had some bad experiences with him. Like once I went to doctor, and I was asking her to. It was through the VA system, so I had to go to my regular doctor to get a referral to see a mental health doctor. Well, I went to the regular doctor and I asked her, could she please help me refill my meds and get in to see the psychiatrist. She scheduled me for a colonoscopy. Never got my meds whatsoever. Nothing, nada, nothing. Except a scheduled appointment for a colonoscopy. So I don't have a lot of faith in doctors. But it's getting bad enough that it's time to go. I can't fix it on my own anymore. I've been fixing my own problems for a long time now, and taking herbs and vitamins and stuff, and all of that's helped. But this time I can't fix it. My blood pressure just isn't something I know how to work with. This is the third time I've done this video, so I can't remember what I've said and what I haven't. I have changed the web page because I'm simplifying it. I apologize to you if I've taken down the guest book and taken down my email address, but it's too much. I cannot answer all of the messages that I get as much as I'd like to, and I've been doing it for about a year and a half now. I've been answering everybody and saying hey and howdy, and it's been a lot of fun. But I've got too much going on to be able to sit here all day and try and answer everybody. If you want to contact us and talk to us and see what's going on in our lives, my live journal is a good way to do it. There's a button there underneath the cam window that I believe is a little house. It's my home page. Actually, www.com is the home page, but my other home page is live journal. I've kept my journal for over 10 years now, and it's home to me. So if you want to stop by and say hey, howdy, and see what's going on with us, then stop by the journal. And if you just want to look, then I left up the picture albums. If you haven't looked at the picture albums lately, the adult photo album does have a few new pictures in it. And Cam Pictures 2010 does have some new pictures in it. But I left up the videos and I left up the pictures because, well, I figure we're all boys and we all want to watch, so. Excuse me. So those are still up. Lately we've been getting ready to do some yard work. Well, we used to have a landlord that wouldn't let us trim anything in the yard. He wanted us just to mow the grass, and that was it. We weren't allowed to touch anything. But we're buying the house now. And now that we've got it, we've got a mess back there because all of the trees are overgrown, and then we've got new baby trees popping up everywhere. And then we had some windstorms come through, and they knocked down branches, and we've gotten the bulk of it out of the way. There's just one more tree that we have to get that we started on yesterday, getting that cut out and out of there. There's one more branch on it we need to cut down, and that's it. But we're doing that, and then we're planning a trip to Las Vegas in October, and we're planning a trip in July to Colorado to do a rendezvous, and I'm looking forward to having some vacation time and just going out and having a good time. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go out and have a good time. But anyway, I guess that's about it. I repeated myself so many times I can't remember which I've said in what video, but I hope I got everything to you that you need to know right now. Just work with me on the fact that I just can't answer all those messages. But I'd love to hear from you if you want to stop by the journal and say hey. Maybe talk back about what's going on or not. It doesn't matter to me. if you want to email, I'll give you my email address one last time, or our email address one last time. It's innernoise, it's INNERNOISE at Cox, it's COX.net. And that's the last time I'm giving out my email address. So if you want it, take it and put it someplace and save it. And I get slow on answering those still too, but I will answer back. Unless it's something that I find to be offensive or that I just can't answer, then I won't answer back. But other than that, peace and love to y'all. Hope you're having a good day. I hope you had a good weekend, and if this week starts off pretty good. Talk to you later. Bye.